teacher name in 51 Talk is Nera Vania, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope once you see this video and dumaan sa FYP nyo kahit saang platform, I hope you would consider subscribing since this will be my first ever video here in YouTube regarding online English teaching. So ang tanong, bakit nga ba ako gumawa ng video dito sa YouTube regarding online English teaching? So for all you know, that online English teaching world is another step up to anyone's career pag na-try nyo to or pag na-involve kayo dito sa industry na ito. Bakit? Because you can consider it as your permanent job, permanent work from home setup. So, sino ba sa atin ang ayaw ng work from home setup? Diba? Iwas ka na sa traffic, iwas ka pa sa bagyo, sa baha, and any other obstacles bago ka makarating sa iyong paroroonan, which is ang office. So, yun na nga, if you're new to my channel, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this YouTube platform para mas marami tayo sa family. So now, ano nga ba ang requirements for you to become a 5-1 Talk teacher? First, kailangan mo mag-secure ng diploma. Any 4-year course basta graduate ka ng college would do a great help or plus points yan. And kung wala ka namang diploma, pwede kang mag-present ng TOR or Certificate of Graduation. Next would be an NBI clearance. Kung meron ka na, good for you, you're ready to go. Pero kung wala pa, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil maintindihan naman yan ni company. All you have to submit is the NBI appointment slip. Basta mag-appear siya dun sa taas na status niya ay paid or successful, good to go ka na rin doon. Kasi hindi naman tayo lahat magkakaroon ng chance na makakuha agad-agad ng NBI clearance. That's another way how you obtain NBI clearance. And sa mga magtatanong, kailangan ko ba ng teaching experience? No, hindi na po kailangan ng any teaching experience today. All you have to submit is kung meron kang service record from other companies, yung Certificate of Employment, magiging plus points mo na din yan. And if meron ka namang teaching certificate, that would do as well. Punta naman tayo dun sa technical requirements ni 5-1 Talk. Ang kailangan nating ma-secure is a good desktop or laptop, lalong-lalo na sa processor niya which is Core i5 or equivalent to AMD Ryzen. Basta Core i5 and above, pwede na yan. A noise cancelling or noise reduction headset na may external microphone. This is para dun sa ating online classes, para mas malinaw and concise and exact yung ating mga sasabihin. Kailangan mo rin ng external webcam, lalo na kung malabo ang inyong webcam pag laptop ang gamit mo. That should be 720p to 1080p ang kanyang resolution. And i-secure mo rin, lalong-lalo na sa inyong demo time, kailangan naka-wired internet kayo. Meaning, doon sa router nyo, connected ang inyong laptop to that. Gamit ang ating LAN wire. Kailangan nyo rin mag-secure ng plain white background like this. But, don't worry kasi kahit kagaya ko na wala naman ako magandang plain white background, cloth nga lang tong pinalagay ko kay Mister, ayan. Meron namang ibibigay sa inyo na format, si 5-1 Talk, na ipapaprint nyo as tarpaulin. Nandun yung brand ng ating company, nandun din yung inyong teaching name. So, sasabihin ko lang na inyong teaching name ay magkaiba po doon sa ating real name para maiwasan ang any connections or searching ng ating student to teacher, teacher to student. Ganon. So that's everything for today para po sa ating mga requirements before you become a 5-1 Talk teacher. And I hope pag ready na kayo, use my referral link on the link below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and click the notification bell for upcoming uploads. See you all mga ka-randoms! Bye!